There he is. There he is. That's a good one. That's a really good one. It's a freaking really good one. No, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Let's freaking go, dude. Let's freaking go, dude. Holy shit.
There's only so far you can push. You know, you can't ask about a chef. You know, it's like so.
Alright, guys. Got the boat all rigged up with all the fun stuff. We're gonna head out, do some fishing. Let's get the boat in the water. It's freaking November. Things could get either really silly or really bad. Let's find out. Alright guys, we have finally made it out to the Zill lake. Very nice. Really excited to see what we can do. Sick. I love when that just happens. Freaking bit, set the hook, gone. Just sick. Hunter, I need more jigs. I think. It's fire. Just like that. I freaking knew that. When in doubt, pick up a freaking jig. That is sick. Come here, boy. That is hype. That's some freaking meat right there, boys. I missed a good one there too. Let's go. We figured them out. Now we can just start catching them. That's a freaking solid one. 319. Very solid. Okay, I'm really glad that we figured that out. There's not many docks left on the lake. That's the only problemo. I flip underneath this dock. I got bit. Set the hook, broke me off. I was like, you cricket watcher. Oh my god. Look at all them freaking geese flying. Jesus Christ. What the hell am I doing bass fishing? That doesn't skip. Oh, that's a good one. Oh yeah. That's a dang stud. And right now, that's a dang stud. Ho-ho. On the old lizard cricker. Dang, I should probably not be dripping water all over my camera. Probably not an ideal situation, but that's a freaking stud. 3-pounder. Just slow down and pick up a jig. The water is pretty cold. It's 50 degrees. Not a bad one. 306. Just built right. I like this. I can throw a jig all day. I have no issues with throwing a freaking jig. There the ducks are. I see them. Ducks just being ducks. You know what I'm saying? There's one. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh. There we go. On the freaking spinnerbait. It's another 3-pounder, boys. We're just gonna net this one. Oh, that's another 3-pounder. Maybe not quite 3-pounder. Dang, this joker freaking destroyed my spinnerbait. Naughty boy. 2 3/4, my guess. Like a 284. 284 is my guess. Let's see. I said 284. 277. Pretty darn close. Not a bad one. There we go. Just like that. Just a jig. That's a freaking 4-pounder all day, boys. That's a good one. Jeez, that's a really good one. God dang. Oh, holy smokes, boys. The LS Lures Little Wizard just got us a dang shit. Holy smokes. That's a good one. Throw a spinnerbait around the dock. I'm like, I just gotta freaking throw a jig underneath that dock. Do you see that? That's what I'm like to talk about. Roof of the mouth. Dirty, dirty little Larry. Where's the scale? That's a 4-pounder. Let's go. That's straight freaking fire. That was so sick. 410. 4-pounder. There we go. I'm gonna take a picture with that guy. That's so sick. That is some straight. Look at that belly. That's what I like to call the foul Vito. That's a stud donkey. Let's freaking go. On the LS Lures Little Wizard. Things just saucy. Oh, guys, I just lost like a 4.5 pounder. So freaking goofy. And now my trolling motor's like bogged in this shit. I like cast it up right there, and I'm watching my spinnerbait and it gets bumped. I'm like, what the heck? And then I like twitch it gets bumped again. Twitch it, and I watch my spinnerbait just disappear. Crack it. I kind of horsed it a little bit. That's my fault entirely. Oh, jeez, that was a freaking good one. That got my heart pumping. That was a solid one. There we go, just like that. Let's not lose this one. There we go. We figured it out. Okay, he's not hooked very well. There we go. That's a limit. On the Hildebrand spinnerbait. Alright, this is a small one. This is a really small one, but we figured him out. Did that, and let's go. 2.5 pounder. We need to call that out. We have just under 16 pounds, which is solid, but man, that 4-pounder would have been nice. But it really doesn't matter, because now that we have figured out the pattern and kind of what these fish are doing, it really doesn't matter, because we're going to start catching the piss out of them. They're right on the bank, like with the cattails. And there's like a whole nother stretch of cattails that we could still fish. All these cattails, like, we're going to freaking catch some fish. Oh my God. There he is. There he is. It's a good one. It's a really good one. It's a freaking really good one. No, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. Jesus Christ, let's freaking go, dude. Let's freaking go, dude. Holy shit. That's gotta be close to 5. That's a 4.5 pounder, boys. I think we figured them out. Dude, we could straight smash them. We literally figured them out. This is insane. That fish was never coming off. That's a chunk. Oh my gosh. Let's freaking go. Dude, what? This is like one of the coolest bites I've been on. Dude, you throw your spinnerbait dirt shallow and you gotta watch them eat. This gotta be 4.5 pounder. Come on. 4.49. I'll take that all day. Dude, that's a straight chunk of Saurus. It's almost 18 pounds. I told you. We lost one the same size. I don't know if you can tell, that's a 4.5 pounder on the freaking Hildebrandt spinnerbait, boys. This is insane. We're throwing a spinnerbait up, like, when I'm talking about like 5 inches of water, like dirt shallow in the cattails. And I mean, I figured this out 5 minutes ago. I lost a 4.5 pounder, caught a 2.5, and caught a 4.5 pounder. This could get really stupid, boys. Let's get the old release. Gosh, that's such a big fish. Oh. Like, I haven't been on a cool little bite like this in a long time. Like, this is nuts. Dude, like, we already got a fucking bag. 17, almost 18 pounds. Dude, that fish wanted it so bad. So freaking bad. Alright, well, I wasn't recording, but we got us one on the old spinner dog. This is a really freaking fun bite. We're catching a decent sized fish. I just like to toss them on the scale just to get a reference of what the size is. I mean, it's definitely not going to help us, that's for sure. He actually does help us. 284. I thought it was going to be close, but we're at 1770 for 4 fish, but we still have like a 2 pounder. Like, that was a 284. That's what I'm saying. Like, we still have so much room to grow. Okay, guys. I don't know if you can see, we are dirt shallow. When I'm saying dirt shallow, I mean dirt shallow. You see these reeds? You see the spinnerbait. When we're casting up, and I've literally gotten all my bites literally going through the reeds. There's probably maybe less than a foot of water. I have no clue why these fish are, it's 50 degrees, like almost 49 degrees. But that's the ticket. Super shallow. The Hildebrandt spinnerbait runs really good up shallow. And I mean, look at it. Straight saucy. Man, this is getting silly. Dang, that's some freaking meat right there, boys. Like, look at that. Freaking Hildebrandt spinnerbait, boys. The hook is genuinely actually somehow really freaking good. They're like dirt shallow and they're eating the spinnerbait so good. This is too fun. Slap them on the scale. 310. A little cold, but dang stud. We're at 18 pounds. That's pretty freaking sick. We hit the goal. Now we just gotta try to go for 20, I guess. All right, guys. Just about hit that 18 pound mark. The lake is all glass and calm. That was a freaking fun day out there. Caught them on a spinnerbait in like dirt shallow. Flipped some docks. I really thought I could get some fish to eat a jerkbait or an A-rig. No. But with that being said, there's some cool content coming. hopefully sometime this week or next week, we're gonna come back out to this lake and do some duck hunting. I'm about to go check out the blind and make sure everything's all ready for that. So there's some cool content coming. Stay tuned. If you enjoyed today's video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, guys. Peace.